The Presto Air Daddy air fryer fries with little or no added oil. Hot air circulates in every direction for fried foods that are crispy outside and tender inside with less fat. Great for fresh or frozen fries, snacks, and appetizers. It's more than a fryer. It grills, roasts, and bakes. The Air Daddy features an adjustable thermostat for easy temperature selection and a built-in 60-minute timer. The signal light shows when the fryer is cooking. The fryer automatically shuts off at the end of the selected cooking time. A handy menu guide provides cooking times and temperatures for popular foods. The 4.2-quart removable basket is ideal for family-sized batches. The basket and pan are fully immersible for easy cleaning, and the built-in cord wrap provides convenient storage. And there's no oily frying aroma when you're done. Air fry, roast, grill, and bake quickly and deliciously in the Air Daddy electric air fryer. From Presto.